Do you have copy and pen in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, I will tell you how to write an equation. So equation is a condition on a variable. Okay, so condition is that the two expressions should have equal value. So if we start from question number 1, please open your copy. We will be starting from example number 1 itself. Rakshita, you also open your copy and pen.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, so we will be starting with example number 1. Write the following statements in the form of equation. The sum of 3 times x. So what we are doing, 3 times x. 3 times x means times means multiply. So 3 times x. So 3 into x. So that is 3x. So 3x sum of. So sum means I will put plus sign. Sum of 3 times x and 11. So I have to take the sum of 3 times x and 11. It is replaced by equal to sign 32. So see, I have changed the first language into mathematical equation. So the words are changed into mathematical equation. How we have changed? Sum of 3 times x. So 3 into x. Sum means plus and 11. So 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. Please complete it. Then we will do second part.
I'm done.
Okay, so second part is if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number. So whatever is written after from, that we will be writing first. So from 6 times a number. So what is 6 times? 6 times means 6 multiply by number. So if I take the number as x, then 6 times the number is 6x. So whatever is written after from, I will be writing it first. And if I subtract from 6x, if I subtract 5, then you get 7. So if you subtract 5 from 6x, you will get 7. So this is the language and we have converted it into equation. Okay, so if it is completed, do come to third part. 1/4 of m. So 1/4 of m means m divided by 4. So this is 1/4 of m. So m divided by 4 is 3 more than 7. So m divided by 4 is 3 more than 7. So what is it? 3 more than 7. So what it is? 1/4 of m is we have replaced it by equal to sign 3 more than 7. So 3 plus 7, or you can write m by 4 is equal to 10. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. So this is first, this is second, and this is third part of question number 1.
I'm done.
Okay. So fourth part is 1/3 of a number. So 1/3 of a number. If I take number as m, yeah, n. If I take the number as n, 1/3 of n is n by 3. 1/3 of a number plus 5. So if I add 5 to it is 8. So 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. So is replaced by equal to sign, plus is replaced by plus sign, and 1/3 means n upon 3.
I'm done.
Okay, Samraj. What about Rakshita? You have also finished?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Complete it and do tell.
Ma'am, I'm having problem. I can't do this.
What happened?
Ma'am, I'm having problem in this question.
Which question?
Ma'am, the one we are doing right now.
Example number 1. Whole.
Yes, ma'am.
What problem you are facing?
Ma'am, in the third part.
Third part. 1/4. 1/4 of m. So 1/4 means if I take an apple and make 4 equal parts, then one part is called 1/4. Do you agree with this, Rakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1/4 of m means m, if m is whole and I want to make it in 4 equal parts, then it should be m upon 4. So I have written m upon 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Then is means you have to write equal to 3 more than 7. So 7, say 3 more. So 3 plus 7. So what is 3 plus 7? It is 10.
Yes, ma'am. मैम पर वो ठीक है मैम, बट ये मेरे को ये नहीं, पहले का पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया मैम, दिस पार्ट.
Which part? 1/4 of m.
Yes, ma'am.
1/4 of m means if m is whole, I have to make 4 equal parts of m. So this is m by 4, this is m by 4, this is m by 4, this is m by 4. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, 1/3 of a number means I have to make 3 equal parts. So it is n by 3. If it is half, half means 2 equal part, n by 2. So now is it complete? अच्छा उसने तो disconnect हो गई है. No problem. So Samraj, can we move to
Yes.
the next sum?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Example number 2. Okay. So example number 2 is convert the following equation into statement form. So now the equation is given and we have to convert it into statement form. So how we will be converting it into statement form?
Ma'am,
So
can I tell the first part?
yeah,
A number subtracted by 5 gives 9.
correct. So you can say if 5 is subtracted from a number, we will get 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Please write it. Then we will be doing second part.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, we can move on.
Okay, so second is 5p is equal to 20. So how should I do this? Five p means 5 times a number. What
Ma'am,
you will, yeah,
say that 5 multiplied by a number is 20.
करेक्ट. सो उसको मल्टीप्लाई ना बोल के हमें स्टेटमेंट में क्या यूज करना है? 5 टाइम्स
Okay, ma'am.
5 टाइम्स अ नंबर इज 20. ओके, तो मैंने स्टेटमेंट में मल्टीप्लाई नहीं बोला है. आई हैव रिटन टाइम्स. 5 टाइम्स अ नंबर इज 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm very sorry I got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Rakshita, we are doing third part now. See, this is the equation
Okay, ma'am.
and we have to convert it into statement.
Okay, ma'am.
So how should I convert third one? So I should say 3 is multiplied by n. So what you will say? Add, because in between there is a sign of plus. So what you will say? Add 7 to 3 times n to get 1. So we are adding 7 to, to which number we are adding 7? To 3 times n. So 3 is multiplied by n. That we used to write it in statement form as 3 times n to get 1. Understand? Please write it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can we write, ma'am, 3 times a number added to 7 is 1.
you are correct. We can write it down like 3 times a number. 3 times a number when added to 7 will give us 1. It is also correct, Samraj.
If we not write when, ma'am, just added to 7 is 1, ma'am, it is
Yeah,
also
it is also correct.
okay.
Is 1 is also correct.
Okay.
So please try fourth part. See, it is divided by 5, Rakshita. So how we will be doing it? 1/5 of the number. What we will say? If we subtract 2 from 1/5 of the number, then we will get 6.
Ma'am, can you just repeat the question of fourth part?
Yeah, I will be writing it on the screen. So how can I write? Um,
Ma'am, you will write if 2 is
subtracted. हाँ, बोलो if 2
Ma'am, if 2 is subtracted,
is subtracted from
ma'am, that I don't.
1/5
Okay, ma'am.
1/5 of a number m, we will get 6.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, you have written this M now. M.
Yeah, I have written m
Okay, ma'am.
because it is in the question. M is written explicitly, so I have used m.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay, so let's come to example number 3. Okay, तो हम लोग we will be doing it together. Are both of you are ready for question number 3? I will be taking your help.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. ओके सो अगर हम मानते हैं राजू की एज है x, ओके तो इक्वेशन में क्या दिया हुआ है? राजू's फादर एज इज 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So 3 times Raju's age will be 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
3 times means 3 has to be multiplied by that number x.
Ma'am, and it will be
And
6 plus 5.
just a minute. So this is 3x and then it is 5 years more. So 5 years more means I have to add 5 to this and I will be getting the age of Raju's father, which is given in the question as 44. So this should be my equation.
Ma'am, done.
Yes. What about Rakshita? You have also completed? Rakshita, are you there?
Ma'am, are you speaking anything? Your voice is cracking. I can't understand what you're saying.
Why?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Is my voice cracking, Samraj?
No, ma'am.
Rakshita, if you feel like my voice is cracking, you should inform me on the same instant. I am asking you example 3 have completed in your copy or it is not completed? Yes, Rakshita, do tell me.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Okay, so let's proceed to example number 4. A shopkeeper sells mango in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in large box is given to be 100. So दो तरीके के boxes हैं shopkeeper के पास में, one small and one large. Large box is having 100 mangoes in it and a small box is having nothing is given. So that we need to assume. So let us assume that a small box is having X mangoes. Okay, a large box contains 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mango. So whatever mangoes are there in 8 small boxes. So in one small box, if it is X, then in 8 small box, it should be 8X plus 4 loose mango. So that will make the number of mangoes in large box.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Samrat.
ma'am, in the equation, what is x? Ma'am, can you tell me x and 4?
Yeah, X I have taken it as the number of mangoes in a small box.
Okay, ma'am.
Number of mangoes in one small box.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, 4?
4 is the loose mangoes. Loose mangoes meaning extra
And
4 mangoes.
4 mangoes in a small box.
Yeah, so if we take X mangoes are there in a small box. So in 8 small box, there should be 8X mangoes
Yes, ma'am.
plus, it is written plus 4 loose mangoes. So I am adding 4 to it to make the number of mangoes in large box that is given to be 100.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rakshita.
my answer there was, I think there are 25 mangoes in a small box.
There are 25 mangoes. You just have to find the equation. No need to solve it. What is the question? You have to write the equation. Understand, Dakshita?
Ma'am, but it's written set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box.
Yes. So you have to set up the equation. So set up the equation meaning write the equation.
Ma'am, so we have to just like do the equation here.
Only equation you have to write. What I have done.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's start now exercise. So we will be starting with exercise 4.1. So how to solve it? You have to complete the last column of the table. So equation is given, the value of x is given. You have to check whether the equation is satisfied or not. So what I have to do, I will put the value of x is equal to 3 in this equation. So if I put it equal to 3 in place of x,
3
I'm
plus
writing,
6, so this is wrong.
so 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is not equal to 0. So you should say no. it does not satisfy.
Ma'am, the third one is correct.
Why you have skipped second part?
Ma'am, the second part is. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I thought you will do that because you have underlined that with a red mark.
No, that red mark is annotation done by you. You can remove that annotation from my screen.
Okay, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, I have removed it.
But it is not removed from my screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it is removed now. Don't worry. Okay, so do tell me the second part.
Ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
You are saying it is correct. Rakshita, what do you say?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct, I think.
Both of you are wrong. Why wrong? If you put x is equal to 0 in this equation, so 0 plus 3. What is the value of 0 plus 3? 0 plus 3 is 3. So
Oh,
is 3 equal to 0?
no, ma'am.
No. So it is wrong.
Ma'am, the third one is correct.
Third one is correct. So in place of x, I am substituting minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will make how much? Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0.
0.
So you will say yes, it's
Ma'am, the
satisfied.
fourth one is wrong. Ma'am,
For
because x is equal to 7 and 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Ma'am, and 0 is not equal to 1. So this is wrong.
Ma'am,
you
this
are correct.
is satisfied, ma'am.
So you are correct, Rakshita. It is no. Yes, Samraj. You want to say for fifth?
Ma'am, it is satisfied.
Fifth is yes, it's satisfied. So if I put in place of x 8, then 8 minus 7 is 1. So you will say yes.
Ma'am, the sixth one is not satisfied. Satisfied.
Sixth one is no. So 5 into 0. 5 into 0 is 0. So 0 is not equal to 25. Rakshita, seventh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it is correct because, ma'am, 5x is, ma'am, 5x is, ma'am, I
5 into
don't
5.
in this.
5 into 5 is 25.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
this
20 is equal to 25, so I think it is correct.
okay. Samraj, eighth part.
Ma'am, eighth part is ma'am not satisfied.
Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, if we ma'am multiply ma'am 5 into minus 5, ma'am, it will be minus 25.
You are correct. Good. Rakshita, ninth part.
Ma'am, I don't know what to do in this question, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to
Okay.
divide this.
Ma'am, I think it is satisfied. Satisfied.
You are wrong. So see, in place of m, I will be putting minus 6 and I have to divide it by 3. So minus 6, if I divide it by 3, then it is minus 2. So it is not equal to 2. So we will say no, it is not satisfied.
Ma'am, but the equation says is equals to 2 and
And here we are getting minus 2.
of minus 2. Okay.
Mm.
What about 10th question?
Ma'am, I'm doing that one.
Please complete 10th and 11th. Then we will discuss.
Ma'am, I think ma'am 10th one is not satisfied.
Why?
Ma'am, ma'am,
if I put in place of m 0, then 0 by 3 is 0. So 0 and 2 are not equal.
Ma'am, the 11th part is satisfied because if we divide 6 and 3, ma'am, the answer is 2 and 2 is equal to 2.
So it is correct, yes. So this completes question number 1. Please make sure you have written it properly in your copy. Exercise 4.1.
Ma'am, I have to write the last one here. Ma'am, can you scroll down a little bit? Okay, ma'am, done.
What about Samraj? You have also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed to question number 2. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. So we have to check n is equal to 1 is given in the bracket. We have to check, is it the solution of the equation or not?
5 is 6 and 6 is not equal to 19, so this is wrong.
Yes. So in place of n, we have to put 1. So how I have to do it, how I have to write this A part question, you will write put n is equal to 1 in left hand side of equation. So left hand side is given as n plus 5. So in place of n, I am writing 1. So in left hand side, I am getting 6. And right hand side is 19. So you can say LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 1 is not the solution of equation.
Ma'am, B part is correct because if we multiply 7 and 2, which is n is equal to
What you are saying, Rakshita. Please complete this statement as I have done. Write it in your copy, then do B part. Don't be in hurry. You have not seen the question properly. Please see the question properly and then reply.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samrat.
ma'am, I have done the A part, ma'am. So I think, ma'am, the B part will be correct, ma'am.
Okay. So do tell me how you have done. What should I write on the screen? So first of all, do tell me, have both of you written the A part solution in your copy? Then we can move to B.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
What about Rakshita?
Ma'am, I have written A part.
So why you are not speaking?
Ma'am, I didn't hear you. Ma'am, your voice is a little bit late here because it's raining here.
Okay, Samraj, you want to tell me the solution of B part.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
tell me what should I write?
Ma'am, first, ma'am, put n is equals to, ma'am, minus 2.
Very good. In the left hand side of the equation. Yes.
And then we have to multiply 7 into minus 2.
7 into minus 2. Yes.
Ma'am, which will be 14.
7 into minus 2 is 14.
Yes, ma'am.
No. 7 into minus 2.
Ma'am,
Minus 14.
ma'am, how will it be minus 14, ma'am?
7
Because
into
negative
minus 2.
number.
A positive and negative number, when they get multiplied, you will get negative answer.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is minus 14 plus 5?
Ma'am, minus 19.
Huh?
Sorry, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, it will be minus 9.
Minus 9. You are correct. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to minus 2 is not a solution of the equation. Please write it completely.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, I'm breaking the meeting and connecting again.